Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm here with my monthly review as far as some of the products that I've loved and a few new ones. So I thought I'd go ahead and get started. I did get the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Glow Foundation, and when I got it, I actually got it in this color, which is the Fair. And that one, it works well for a bronzy look. These are actually baked foundations, so they do have marbling in them. And right now, or at least last time I checked, Laura Geller was having a sale on these. This one is good for me if I want just a moisturize, put this on and put some mascara on and get out the door kind of look. But I wanted to see if I could find a color that matched me better, so I got the Porcelain, and it's the same formula, and this is the way that it looks here. And so again, it's a baked foundation, and you put it on with a brush. It's powder. That's what I have on today, and I'm really liking it. I did go ahead and get the Nautical Nonsense palette, and it is just an absolutely fun palette. It's from WetnWild. You can go on their website and get it. It's still available. And I just wanted something for summer that would be fun and have some fun colors in it. But it actually has a ton of pigment. I went ahead and used these two shadows, both the blues here, on the lid, and then I used this one on the inner corner, and then this deep dark, it's almost purple, on the outer corner, and it is a really fun look. It's what I have on today. And yeah, it's great. And then I used this on my waterline from Colourpop. It's one of their chill eyeliners, and then that all around the eye, the blue all around the eye. As far as other products that I am really loving this month that are new to me, right now I have a combination of these two colors on. This is It's Complicated by Uoma, and this is the Uoma by Sharon seed that's available in Walmart. And so that's what I have on the lips. You can use it on the lips, the cheeks, and the eyes. And it's just really pretty pretty colors and a great formula. That's what I'm trying to say. The other product in that line, the Level Up mascara, really liking this too. Let's see what else. So Kiko Milano. This blush I've had for a little while. It's from their Unexpected Paradise collection, and I love their packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just got in some new Kiko Milano, and this one is their highlighter. Again, it's from the Unexpected Paradise collection, and again, the packaging is just really pretty. So highlighter and blush right there. The other one that I have on is again from Unexpected Paradise, and this is a baked bronzer. And then the packaging looks like this. Let's see if we can get it out of the... Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's it. And then the Kiko Milano, the Holiday, Holiday Gems, the Glow Palette. And so I got that, and so this is what those look like. I've gone ahead and used this one, actually all of them, as eyeshadow, and you can use them as eyeshadow or highlighters, whichever one you want to go ahead and do. And I'll go ahead and get you some swatches of the Nautical Nonsense, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the swatches from Nautical Nonsense. And as you can see, it's highly pigmented. It's what I have on my eyes today. And so, yeah, that's how the look came out. And again, this is the palette, and these are the swatches. And again, just a really fun summer palette. And as you can see, a ton of pigment. I went ahead and put the two, they have two of the, yeah, these are glitters, and so pressed glitters, and I put those two right over there. It's a gold and a pink. I have a little bit of the gold, yeah, it's right along the inside of the eye there, but I think it's all sort of faded off by this point. But again, Nautical Nonsense, Wet n Wild, really pretty palette. Wasn't expecting it, but it has some gorgeous summer colors in it. So that's all of my review for this past month and the stuff that I'm loving. A few new Kiko Milano products, and I think I'm done. So thank you and have a great day, okay?